Hey guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this headband. It is so hot here lately, I'm dying. This is an easy pattern. You can use whatever yarn you want. This is a weight 3 yarn with a 5mm hook. You can use stitch markers if you want. I'm not going to. We're first going to do a chain for our headband. I ended up chaining 80 because I have a big head, but you can do more or less whatever's comfortable for you. Once you have your desired length, slip stitch to the first stitch. Make sure it's not twisted. Chain 1, and we're going to half double crochet evenly around. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1. Now we're going to be working in the back third loop. So you have your V there with the 2 loops. If you turn it, you'll have this extra loop on the back. We're going to do a half double crochet into that loop, pull through, and we'll repeat this around. This is going to give it a nice textured look to it. For every round, make sure you're slip stitching into the first stitch and chaining 1 at the beginning of each round. Once you have your desired amount of rows, slip stitch into the first stitch and fasten off your ends. I ended up doing 6 rows, and this is what it looks like. This is a good yarn scrap project. I had a lot of yarn left over from making my cardigan. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day, get the serotonin boost, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!